Hi friends, good morning. Yesterday class we discussed about MySQL tables. We are discussing four topics where it is create table, show tables, and drop table. Describe table, show tables. We are discussing four topics. First one is MySQL create tables. Second one, MySQL disk tables. We are discussed yesterday class. Even programmatic levels also I did explain what is creating tables, how to create in MySQL server. Everything I did explain before class 2 and class 3. Whoever missed the classes, please watch it. It is available in YouTube. I will show the YouTube. Wait a minute. Click on Chrome. Look at now the YouTube. Click on YouTube. Search. imnagaraj-tech-sol. Solution. Enter. Yeah, it's clearly enabled. Okay, now this is my channel. I did explain MySQL tutorials. So this is the first class, how to download MySQL in local devices. And the first class, I did explain four topics like what is data, and also what is data, what is database, so how to use in nowadays in market, how to also, what is the need of DBMS, database management system, and MySQL? Everything I explained this class, and also class 2 MySQL tables. Now we are discussing four topics yesterday class, where it is MySQL create table, MySQL drop table, MySQL disk table, MySQL show tables, and insert the values in a table through the SQL select queries. We are discussing four topics. Even this class also explains theoretical. In the class 3, we discussed the programmatic level. So whoever not seen my classes, please open the YouTube, click it. I'm now class technician. Click on enter. Then clearly enable my channel, and you can look in my channel regarding my school tutorial videos. Please watch it. We did explain easily. You can explain a simple way to learn how to learn simple way by the help of my videos. Now we are discussing remaining topics where it is order table. Order means already existed table is there in MySQL server page or local device. So we have to move, create or update or delete something updated or existing table in separate ways. Use operations we did explain, or we will run use operations by the help of alter command and rename table. Rename means rename, re-entered name, like older to same database I have. So I change my table name. That time we have to choose the rename. Clone it's duplicated, truncate to delete the database, temporary. For example, Zoom meeting. I explain in theoretical. And finally, drop table. How to drop the tables. We discussed these five topics today and the class. Show tables. This tables. Insert tables. These five topics I did explain class 2 and class 3. If you don't know how to create table, how to describe tables, how to show the tables in a database, even insert values, everything you don't know, please you can watch my channel, my videos, easy to understand, easy to implement in a programmatic level. So today we're discussing alter command. It simply represents it simply represents the modifying, finding, adjusting table in a database. It which uses create, delete, update operations. It simply represents. It simply represents the modifying existing table in a database. It uses create, delete, update operations through the order command. Simple. Modifying it means modifying existing table. Just like already one database stored in MySQL, suppose Naga education. Naga education table stored in a server already. Qualification, serial number, qualification, grade. Simply, first, I create a table. Wait a minute. This is existing table. So I missed my BSc qualification. So how I need my BSc in the table. So through the help of through the help of alter command. This is process of alter table, alter command in a tuple. So I will explain tutorial presentation. Look at here now. I do explain the MySQL alter command is used to modify the structure of an existing table. Look like already I did save my education qualification MySQL server. It allows you to make various changes such as adding, deleting, and modifying columns within the table. So I missed my basic qualifications. That's what I am using all the table through the operations for adding or deleting or modifying. Additionally, the alter command is also used to add and drop different constraints associated with an existing table. Is that syntax is order table name like order table naga education add or delete something add further order option means add id from number one something. So dropping in a column. You have to move drop. Drop means delete. Add or delete or modifying adding a column to add look like this. Example, all the table customers adding ID. Int means data type. Already I told you what is the need of data type before we create the table. I did explain before classes. Please watch it. I'm not talking every time what is this, what is that. I'm not talking like that because it's a very lengthy time. I'm not interested to talk lengthy subject. So please watch before videos. You have to use all the table. You can do huge operations. So now I'm starting programmatic level. MySQL open, enter the password. Naga and is my password. You can text your password in your laptop. Don't text my password as an internet because it's not working because my password in my laptop only, not your laptop. That's what I'm talking, right? So show databases, semicolon is mandatory. So select music semicolon. Select means we are using a use keyword or use command and database change. So show tables. Fuzzy education and Sai education. I'm talking Fuzzy education. That's what I would like to take Fuzzy education. Select start from Fuzzy education. Yeah. So Some only I need only one serial number. So I'm inserting two more values. Wait, I will talk later actually, but coming to the point, we are using alter keyword and alter command. We have to move the operations right now. Alter table, table name, week, education, add ID, and we added one more attribute, enter 0. Look at now. This is serial number, this is class, this is grade, this is P means percentage. So I'm using alter command. We have to add something else like ID. So serial number is here, class is here, grade is here, P is here. Now I'm added through the alter command, ID added, right? So delete or drop, delete the operation. Say alter table, alter table was the delete, delete ID, enter. Oh, some error is here. Wait, yeah, actually we would take a drop. That's what some error is here. The MySQL server raising that kind of information only. Look like syntax to use near delete ID at line one. So we use the drop. That's what some error is rising now. I replace delete to drop and query okay. So look at here. So add or remove. We show even describe also. Look like the syntax of describe. This it's clearly using this query or this query. It enable entire table using describe command. It helps to enable the data of a table. This quasi education and look like this. So it enabled this type of table. You easy to understand what I'm talking, what I'm explaining. That's what I'm using this table right now. This is understandable. This is understandable, but it is clearly understandable. It's like deep learning. As of now, use operations. So we do through the help of order command. After more Chrome, like this is order command. Order command is used to modify the structure of an existing table. It allows you to make various changes, such as adding, deleting, and everything. We have to do huge operations through the help of order command for the existing table in a database. So already I told how to create and how to use order. This is the syntax I explained in PowerPoint presentation, dropping tables also there in MySQL servers and how to show. So huge operators is here now. Look at now. Repositioning in a column where we are in a new database or new table or new command or in a tuples, new attributes through the Order command clearly explain all the table customers drop ID. Already I dropped something ID. So who will init the database through the new attribute where we look in from in corner look like first or second third. So that's what we are using. All the table customers like all the table was the educations add ID database where something I need this is last we had ID. So I don't take this place. I need this place like after class. That time I am using like this first or second or after class or after grade. So we are using entering simply say that. Syntax all the table was the education add ID into first or after class after something. So use the operations executed through the help of order command. Simply explained, order command means modifying, exchanging the class in a conjunction with the order command. Even we have to read rename also. So look at now how to add simply order table, add ID from after after class. Okay, CLA access and class it line one. What is the syntax? Clearly all the table was the education and ID. We must delete the right. Use near after class. Before that ID inside enter. Query OK. Without testing the depth, it clearly mentioned error. So describe was the education added field serial number class ID. We need the ID after class. That's what we need the ID. So we are doing different kind of operation through the help of order command. The next rename. Rename means that we enter we enter the new name. Existing existing table. Simply syntax operations in the bracket. Symbol. So re-entered already existing. I explain. Already I'm storing Naga education, right? Naga education. So I need G education. Already stored in a table in MySQL server in a database. That name is Naga education. I need Vazi education. That time you are using rename command or order command. already we have to move all the command, but it's particularly mentioned in the MySQL database for for rename MySQL table. Rename syntax is rename table to old table. Syntax